The phrasal verb to waffle on means to speak or write at length without getting to the point, often in a way that's vague or indecisive. It's like when someone is trying to avoid giving a clear answer. Picture this. You're in a meeting and someone has asked a straightforward question about their project. Instead of answering directly, they start talking about everything except the actual question. That's waffling on. For example, let's say a colleague is asked, "What's the status of the report?" Instead of saying, "It's almost done and will be ready by Friday," they might start discussing the weather, their weekend plans, and how busy they've been lately. That's a classic case of waffling on. It can be frustrating for listeners who just want a clear answer. You might also hear this in casual conversations. Imagine you're catching up with a friend who's been asked about their new job. Instead of giving a straightforward update, they start rambling about their commute, the office coffee machine, and how they miss their old coworkers. You might find yourself thinking, just get to the point already. So, when should you use to waffle on? It's often used in informal contexts, especially when you want to criticize someone for being vague or indecisive. If you're in a discussion and someone is avoiding the main topic, you could say, "Stop waffling on and just tell us what you think." It's a way to encourage clarity and directness. To help memorize this phrasal verb, think of the word waffle as something light and fluffy, like a pancake. When someone waffles on, their words are like a stack of pancakes, fluffy but lacking substance. You can visualize someone flipping pancakes, going round and round without getting to the core of the matter. This imagery can help you remember that waffling means not getting to the point. In summary, to waffle on is all about being vague and indecisive in conversation. It's useful when you want to call out someone for not being direct. Just remember the fluffy pancakes, and you'll have a fun way to recall this phrasal verb whenever you need it.